Okay, this is the indoor air handler video. We're in the upper attic from the closet. I don't want people stepping on my gas piping. You want people stepping on your gas piping? So there should be a curb built around this piping and painted. And so for pedestrian traffic to come across here, it shouldn't be exposed to the technician. You want to park a fat HVAC technician right here. He's going to sit on this pipe while he works on your air conditioning equipment. I don't know about that. Our air filters are 20 by 25 by 4. They're over here on these sides. Like that. You just slide them in and out. Easy flow. The air arrow goes to your left here. So make your notes. Okay. These are your furnaces. They have sediment traps, care and use manuals. This is good. Got our flues going here on our evaporator coil, primary drain line, drain piping. Okay, it's insulated. There should be a P-trap on this, and we do not have a P-trap on our evaporator coil primary drain line. On the, by the way, on the downstairs one. And you can tell this is downstairs. It's the closest one to the stairs, and it's labeled downstairs right here. There's the manufacturer's labels. Now it's going to be kind of difficult to get into the furnace to work because their cables are right here supporting it, but we're supposed to have cables supporting it, so they did that. So, I mean, it's supported properly, but it's kind of tight for the cabinet. Moving on along, moving through here. Oh, by the way, this system, all these systems, both indoor air handlers, both condensing units, are 5 years old. This equipment's engineered on paper to last 20 years. It might last 30 years. We don't know, but Las Vegas is going to give you 14. There's your air filter over there. It's a little more difficult to get to. You're supposed to have 36 inches of unobstructed space in front of. So this one technically does not have sufficient surface access in front of the furnace. Okay. Also, while we're at it, go back downstairs. Okay, we're going downstairs. Go downstairs. I know that's a short run, but we do not have a strap on the flue to keep it in place on the furnace flue. Coming across here, stepping on some gas piping. Oh. Sediment trap. Air filter is hard to get to. Furnace is even harder to get to than the other one. You do not have 36 inches of unrestricted. In fact, you can say because of the cables, you don't have 36 inches of unrestricted space in front of either one of them. So both of these indoor air handlers have insufficient service access in front of them, including piping, including electric cables in the way. All this stuff is supposed to be put out of the way so somebody can sit up here reasonably comfortable and safe and work on your system to keep you reasonably comfortable and safe. Coming across here, primary drain line does not have a P-trap, even though it's insulated. See that right there? We got mice up here. That's what that tells us. And I saw some seals trails through the insulation. Okay, people didn't make those trails. People did not make those trails. Over here, we got rust in the pan. Now this, again, how old is this pan? I don't know. It might be 5 years old. Honestly. It's good to know.